Want to restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup? Here's exactly how to do it step by step. First, make sure your old iPhone was backed up to iCloud and that you know your Apple ID and password. You'll also need access to a Wi-Fi network and your iPhone should be plugged in to stay charged during the process. If your new iPhone is already set up, you need to erase it by going to Settings, then tap on General. Now select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now choose Erase All Content and Settings. After your device restarts, follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the Quick Start screen. When you see the Transfer Your Apps and Data screen, choose from iCloud Backup. Sign in to your Apple ID, agree to terms and conditions, then select the most recent backup from your old iPhone. Next, follow the prompts to set up cellular service or eSIM if needed. Your iPhone will begin restoring data from iCloud and show a progress bar on screen. Once the initial restore is done, your iPhone will be usable, but apps, photos, and other content will continue to download in background over Wi-Fi. And that's it. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.